Yahoo! Prof here, and we're finally going to be doing some Battle Styles Pokemon polls. Which one do we do first, though? I have the Collector's Chest, and then I have both the Urshifu V Single Strike and Rapid Strike. So I think we're going with these guys first. We're not doing both of these in this video, but let's do the Single Strike box first. Why not, right? Why not? Alright, so she's a bit front heavy. Need to take a couple snappy snapshots here. Forgot about that. Alright, so there is the Single Strike Urshifu V box. And in here we have one foil promo card, one promo energy card, and one foil oversized card, and then 4 booster packs. So, and these were picked up off of Amazon. I might have an affiliate below. I definitely have affiliate links to the Amazon searches I used to find these. These might actually be in stock depending on when this video goes up, because they've gone in and out of stock since Battle Styles is the latest pack, or the latest expansion currently. So let me get this on the Gorilla Pod here, big one, and we'll take a peek into what's inside. Alright, I'm gonna flip this over, cut her open. Got the Cerakoted Tuck XL from Tactical Keychains. I did notice some of my Cerakote is starting to come off on the edges, but that's kind of what happens with this. And on where was it? Something like the lips are like that pretty much here, but there's a big chunk missing someplace. Oh, right where I hold it the most. Right on this edge. Yeah, right on that edge there. It's all basically silver now. And I do often hold it like with my finger, like right up there. Like that. So, makes sense. Makes sense. He sadly, since doing those, hasn't done the Cerakote again. Alright. Wow, I just knocked you guys out there. Bam, full force. Full force threat here. Apparently. Just knocking you guys out. I'm just trying to get the cards out here. Alright, so we got the giant Single Strike Urshifu V Pokemon card, the giant one here. I just realized I might have forgotten to keep myself a Pikachu card. Nope, definitely had one. And then here is the little one. Same exact art. And then to go with that, we have the Single Strike Energy in a reverse holo. And that is, this card can only attach a Single Strike Pokemon. If it attached to any other Pokemon, discard it. As long as it is attached, it provides fighting or dark, but 1 energy at a time, and the attacks of that Pokemon do 20 more damage. And then in here, we have our online card. If you guys are interested in that, hit me up on Twitter at the Propsist. Let me know you're interested in, Single Strike Urshifu Battle Styles card. And it's the Single Strike Urshifu V box is what they call it. We have 2 Battle Styles packs and a Darkness Ablaze and a Crimson Invasion, which is an interesting selection, I would think. We're going to do Battle Styles first, just because that's why we're here, isn't it? So... Alright, let's get pulling. My first Battle Styles pack. Oh, and I already tore it open. Already failing. Black online card. Oh, almost forgot to switch over to the smaller tripod here. Much better. Alright, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. I don't know if it's 3 or 4 yet. Never opened Battle Styles before. By the way, the fact that there's a Tyranitar on there. Me likey. Alright, so Energy Recycler, Urn of Vitality, Single Strike Energy. Okay, so to get Single Strike Energy, Girder. He's lifting a Girder. Teehee. Pawniard. Mankey. Nice action pose. Sizzlepede right there. One of those interesting clay style ones. Baltoy. Timber. Reverse Hollow Energy Recycler. A Geoslash. And a Fighting Energy, so it is 4. Oh, and Amazon restocks in the colors I like, so I have orange again. I am retaining some yellows for doing stuff like this, where I want to write out. But orange is bright enough to do that as well. See? So that's why I like the lighter colors. If I need to, I can write down where they came from. Alright, Tyranitar Battle Styles pack. Here we come. We got a white back. Okay. Online. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass. Alright, we have Cheryl. Heatmore. Tower of Darkness. Tepeg. Is it Pachirisu? Mindfu. Baltoy. Galarian Mr. Mime. Emperor Reverse Hollow. Let's see. Does this work the same as the other ones where we're going to put another hollow? Yep. Houndoom. It's actually pretty badass hollow. Alright, then we have Darkness Ablaze here, one that we've opened plenty of times. I managed to tear right down the middle. White back. Oh, I don't remember if this one is a 3 or 4. So we're gonna go 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll go 4, I guess. Psychic Energy. Okay, we got a Furret, Yellowhorn, Flaffy, I like that Flaffy, Rookidee, Galarian Mr. Mime, Electrike, Dino, Passimian, Reverse Hollow Darkrai, and a Galarian Stunfisk V. We have our first pull right there. Yeah, I almost had these two. Maybe this is why they have these together. I almost mistook those two icons. They're very, very similar. That's Battle Styles, and that is Darkness Ablaze. I actually might have this Galarian Stunfisk V already. Don't know for sure, but I remember seeing that card before. And then next we have Crimson Invasion, which, if you've caught up at all with us, we did a live stream of an entire booster box that I got from Amazon Warehouse of this. So I'll be very familiar with cards in here. And these just tear right across. For whatever reason, the way that they're made. They're also from 2017. And since Pokemon Center doesn't reprint, even though this is a 2021 pack, like box here, this pack should be still from 2017. Printed in the USA. I forget where it says that. Oh, and the card. Okay, we got green card. I believe in this one it does follow like that. If that was white, we'd have a 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have a Staravia counter catcher, Digger's Bee, Swinub, Mankey, Aeron, Corefish, Ghastly, I like that Ghastly a lot, Chalk Art-esque, Dashing Pouch, Reverse Hollow, Altaria, Rare Non-Hollow, and a Fairy Energy. I wouldn't say my pulls are too hot with this, personally, but let's go over what we got here. Alright, so included in the box, Single Strike Urshifu V, Single Strike Energy Reverse Hollow, Energy Recycler, pulled that from Battle Styles, Emperor Reverse Hollow, that's that pig, Houndoom Hollow, it's pretty nice. Then later on in Darkness Ablaze, Darkrai Reverse Hollow, Galarian Stunfisk V. And then from Crimson Invasion, the Dashing Pouch. Let me know what you guys think of the new Battle Styles packs here. And just hit subscribe and notify so that you're here when the Rapid Strike version of this exact box goes live. And let me know if there's anything you think I can improve with these videos. See you in the next one.